Have you seen this wild new trend that's taking over YouTube lately? AI-generated music videos are exploding in popularity. Some of these videos are pulling in millions of views, and entire channels are being built around them almost overnight. One great example is a channel called Burning Dust. It was created just a few months ago, and it already has over 17 million views. That's right, 17 million. With that kind of engagement, the creator is likely making thousands of dollars every single month from ad revenue and sponsorships. So what's the secret? These AI music videos are absolutely mesmerizing, visually stunning, and creatively wild. And the best part? You don't need to be an animator or editor to make them. Thanks to some powerful and free AI tools, just about anyone can create these videos, from the visuals to the music, without any prior experience. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can get started. Whether you're looking to grow a YouTube channel, experiment with AI creativity, or even build a passive income stream, this is a trend you definitely don't want to miss. So make sure you watch all the way to the end, because I'll be walking you through the entire process step by step. All right, let's get started. The first and most crucial step is crafting detailed image prompts. This is the most important step. The quality of your visuals depends entirely on how well you describe them. So getting the right prompt makes all the difference in creating something truly eye-catching. To make things super easy for you, I've put together a Google Doc with ready-to-use prompt template, which we will use ChatGPT to help generate your own unique image prompts. The link to the doc is available for you in the description below. Don't miss it. And if you've made it this far into the video, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm share this video with more awesome creators like you. Now let's get back. First, open the Google Doc linked in the description and copy the pre-written image prompt templates I've provided. Head over to ChatGPT and paste it into the chat. Then you can change the number of prompt you want ChatGPT to generate for you, depending on how long you want your video to be. For example, if you're planning a 1-minute video, you might want 7 to 10 unique prompts. For something longer, you can ask for 11 or more. Once you hit enter, ChatGPT will quickly generate a set of rich, visually descriptive prompts that are perfect for crafting stunning and captivating scenes of beautiful women dancing in surreal, artistic environments. These prompts are built to feed directly into your AI image generator, giving you high-quality visuals that are vibrant, cinematic, and impossible to scroll past. Now that our prompts are ready, it's time to start generating the visuals that will bring your AI music video to life. For this, we will use Ideogram. Head over to Ideogram. If you haven't created an account yet, take a moment to sign up. It's free and only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, click the plus icon to open the image creation interface, where all the magic happens. Before pasting anything in, take a second to fine-tune the settings. First, change the style to realistic to ensure the visuals look lifelike and cinematic, especially if you're going for those rich, detailed scenes that captivate viewers. Then, adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9. This gives you a widescreen format that's perfect for YouTube videos and keeps everything visually consistent. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt you generated and return to Ideogram. Paste the prompt into the text box and hit Generate. Ideogram will begin rendering your images, transforming your prompt into 4 stunning visuals. Once your images appear, take a close look at all 4 options. Each one will offer a slightly different take on the same concept, whether it's lighting, pose, background, or overall vibe. Look for the one that instantly grabs your attention and download it directly to your device. Now repeat this process for every prompt to generate the rest of your images. The next step is turning our images into animated video clips. For this, we'll use Kling AI. Open Kling AI website. If you don't already have an account, sign up. Once you're logged in, click on the plus icon to start a new project, then select the image to video option and you will be presented with the animation interface. Now upload the first image you want to animate into video in the frame section. To make sure the animation aligns perfectly with the visual style and atmosphere of your image, you'll want to give Kling AI the exact same prompt you used to generate that image in the first place. Go back to ChatGPT and copy it, then return to Kling AI and paste it into the prompt box. Next, tweak the generation settings based on your goal. If you want faster results, go with standard mode. But if you're aiming for the best possible quality with more refined motion and detail, switch to professional mode. Then select your desired duration. Usually between 5 to 10 seconds works great for each clip, and click Generate. Kling AI will now begin animating your still image, using your prompt to guide the motion style, direction, and environmental effects. This process may take a few moments, but the results are usually worth the wait. Once the animation is ready, Kling will present you with a preview. Watch it through and pay attention to the flow of motion. If everything looks great, go ahead and download the clip to your device. Now repeat this process for every image you've created to animate them into video clips. The next step is to create the perfect music for our video. For this, we'll be using Suno. Head over to the Suno website and sign up if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, click on the music icon to open the music creation interface. From here, select Custom to get more control over your track. Since we're focusing on background music and not lyrics, make sure to choose the instrumental option. This will give you a clean, atmospheric sound without any vocals. Now go back to the Google Doc I've provided and copy the music prompt. Then open ChatGPT and paste it in. Then hit enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will give you the best music style, copy it, then head back to Suno and paste it into the prompt box. Give your track a title and then hit create. Suno will now generate your music using the style you provided. In a short time, it'll give you 2 unique instrumental tracks based on your prompt. Take a moment to listen to both carefully. Now go ahead and download the one you prefer to your device. Now it's time to bring all the pieces together and craft your final masterpiece through editing. For this, we're going to use CapCut. Open CapCut, then click on New Project and import all the animated clips you've generated so far. These will form the core visual flow of your video. Before doing anything else, adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9. This ensures your video is optimized for YouTube and widescreen viewing. If any of your animated clips have logos or watermarks, no worries. Simply click on the clip and slightly stretch it until the logo disappears. It's a quick fix and keeps your video looking clean and professional. Repeat this for all clips that need it. Next, let's add animations to our clips. Click on a clip, then click on Animations tab. You'll find a wide range of motion presets. Choose one that matches the energy of your video, then apply your chosen animation to the first clip. Then repeat the process for each of the other clips to keep everything dynamic and engaging. Now it's time to enhance the visual atmosphere with video effects. Click on the Effects tab and select Video Effects. You'll see a variety of cinematic looks, lighting effects, and surreal overlays. Choose one that complements your video's tone, something that enhances the mood without overpowering the visuals. Once selected, drag it across the entire timeline so it covers all the clips evenly. After the visuals are polished, import the custom soundtrack you created earlier using Suno. Drop it into the timeline and make sure it lines up with your clips. If the music track is longer than the video itself, simply trim the excess so everything ends cleanly and on beat. Once everything is in place, watch the video carefully to make sure everything flows smoothly. If you're happy with how it all looks and sounds, then click on Export. Set the resolution to 4K for the highest possible quality and download the video to your device. Now let's take a look at our final result. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more content like this, and drop any questions you have in the comments section.